See, before going to start the linked list questions, today linked list questions, before that, we need to discuss about the recursion because linked list code snippets they are expecting mostly based on recursion only. Why the reason? With a simple code, they can question you. So that's why recursions they are using. Recursion. First of all, what is a recursive function? A function calling itself. Yes. Function calling itself is called recursion. Nothing but calling the function from the same function. See, one simple example I am taking. One simple example. Main. From the main, we are calling just a recur. One simple function we are taking. And here first statement is a start. Next, see, look at this. This is called recursive call. Calling itself. Nothing but we are calling the function. Again, it will call. Again, it will execute. And again, it will return. Nothing but that continuously it is executing that recursive call only. Continuously, it is executing that recursive call only. That is. Okay. So whenever it reaches, see, in any programming language, functions execute inside the stack memory. That's why recursion we also call it as application of stack. Application of stack. That is. So when you call first recursion from the main, it will go to this recursion, start, again recursion, start, again recursion. When it reaches the end, whenever memory is a full, stack memory is full. Stack memory. Okay. So whenever it is a full, it is saying that the program terminates abnormally. It terminates abnormally. That is. So here, this continuously is executing until the memory is available. That is. So before going to answer the questions, a few more things. We need to take care of the function execution completion in recursive call. If you don't care, always it causes memory full, stack is full, like this it will tell. Suppose here ABC of 3 we call. ABC of 3. In ABC of 3, we are printing X value. And if X is greater than 0, we call ABC of X minus 1. We decrease X by 1 and passing. It's a recursive call only. Calling the function from the same function only. From the same function only. See, look at this. First, we are calling the function. We are calling the function from main, ABC of 3. 3 will store into X. We are printing that value. Next, if 3 is greater than 0, ABC of 3 minus 1 is a 2. This one. If 3 is greater than 0, yes, condition is true. Condition is true. X minus 1, 2 we are passing. Next, 2 will display. If 2 is greater than 0, true, it will display. It will go to here. Up to that 0. After printing the 0, if 0 is greater than 0 condition false. If block will not execute, then it will come back in the same direction. In which direction it is moving in forward? In the same way, it will come back. In the same way, it will come back. So, whenever we are writing the code, of recursion, we need to take care of all these things important. See, to understand that backward direction also, we are taking like this. Simply x and x we are taking. That is also same, not only 0. Now look at this. Now look at this. If x followed by also we are printing the x value. This is important. Followed by also we are printing that value. That is. See here. See here. How this code gets executed. Look at this. Look at this. First you are passing 3 here. It will come inside. It will come inside that 3 is printing. Next, if 3 condition is true, 3 minus 1 is a 2 will display. 2. I mean, with 2 it will call. So it will go to here. Print 2. If 2 is a 1, if 1 is a 0, if 0, look at this. In the last case, after printing the 0, if 0 means condition false. Then if block condition false, then it will continue with the next statement execution. Again, it is printing that 0 and is coming back. Last statement here after if block printing x value 1. Again is coming back. Last statement printing that is x value 2. Again it will come back. Last statement that is printing x value 3. So the same direction questions they are expecting. 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Every instruction is important. Every instruction is important. That is. Just like finding the factorial. This is the one. If n equals to 0, it will return 1. If n is not 0, it is returning that n into fact of n minus 1. Look at this. Fact of n minus 1. Fact of n minus 1. Nothing but you are calling the function from the same function only. You are calling the function from the same function only. That is. Now look at this. Now look at this. Whenever you are calling that fact of 4, fact of 4 we call. It will go to here. If 4 equals 0 condition false, else block. 4 into fact of n minus 1 means what? 3. It will call with n value 3. Next, if 3 equals to 0, condition false. Return 3 into fact of 3 minus 1 is a 2. 2 equal to 0. Fact of 1. 1 equal to 0. Fact of 0. Finally, 0 equal to 0. It will return 1. 1 is multiplied with 1. Value become 2. Sorry, when 1 into 1 is a 1. That 1 is written back to here. 2 into 1 will return to here. Next 3 into 2, 6 will return to here. 4 into 6, 24. 24. This is the one. Like this we execute. Like this we execute. This is the one. This is how we are performing. This is how we are performing. Everything we need to write in the same way. Recursion remaining codes, you please check. Remaining codes. Okay. So because the questions they are expecting based on the recursions only. I mean linked list questions and all. As the concept is a linked list. As a concept is a linked list. Right here it is a wait. In that linked lists, what is the difference between array and linked list? In the last session also, in Java collections also we have seen. In Java collections also we have seen equations. So many questions we have seen. See here, the first thing is what? It is a linear data structure where we can store the elements in the form of nodes. In the node format we are storing. In the node format we are storing. That is. Right here it is the elements in the consecutive locations, elements in the random locations. Elements in a random locations. That is just linking up in linked list. We are just connecting that. Insertions and deletions taking much time because of shifting elements after insertion and deletion. Like this. Linked list store information in the form of nodes. Nodes get memory in random locations and connected using links. Insertions and deletions are faster compared to array or array list, anything. Inserting and deleting nodes depends on the connections. Depends on number of connections we can. That is. Now here it is, we have three kinds of lists: single, double, and circular. Single, double, and circular. That is. See here, single linked list. Single linked list. Simple one. Here it is a every node has a two fields in single linked list. We are representing like this. Because one field is used to store the data. And one field is connecting to that next link. I mean next one, next node, that is what link. Data and link. That is what node exactly. Node. Last node, last link is a null. Last node, last link is a null. That is. And here it is that head node is always pointing to that first one. Pointing to first one. This is one direction. Nothing but only in forward direction. Only in forward direction. It is not bidirectional. Two-way direction, two-way processing of elements is not there. It is unidirectional. Nothing but it will move only in a forward direction. Only in a forward direction. Is the one. See here, just creating the node and all in a using structure in C language. Structure type. Suppose if it is a Java, is a class type. Is a class type. Struct node. Struct node. Whenever we are representing, if you have any idea, in C, we are representing with a structures. Struct node. Struct node. One is a data field, and next one is a link field. Struct node star link field. In C language, we are creating one pointer struct node, something like P, and we allocate the memory like this. P equals to some malloc. How much size it will occupy, that you have to pass again. This kind of questions also they're asking. That's why I'm explaining. And you need to cast pointer conversion. P is a struct node type. You need to convert like this. You need to convert like this in C language. In C language, this is what defining node, and this is what declare node variable. Next, this one memory allocation. This one memory allocation like this. Like this. Define the node, declare variable, and memory allocation. It is in C language. Sir, suppose if it is Java. If it is Java, sir, I want to define node. Use what? Class node. Classes here. In that variable int data, and next one is a node type only. No pointers, no. That is. And declare variable. Declared node variable is the same like just node class type P. And memory allocation also we know. Memory allocation like P is equals to new node. Object creation process. Object creation process. This one. From language to language. From language to language, only that syntax will change. Only that syntax will change based on our requirement. They are expecting the questions. These kind of questions only. How can you declare? How can you declare and create the node in C language or in Java? The questions like this. For single linked list. For single linked list. That is the one. Remember that point. Node P already declared here. P. That's why P here. In a single line, if you want to write, you can write node P is equal to new node. Here already P declared, that's why just a new node. This is the one. So here it is that questions. We'll see that parallelly that MCQs also. So that what kind of questions they are expecting. What kind of questions they are expecting, you will combine. You will combine. This is the one. Consider the following definition, following structure definition in C. What is that? This one only. Struct node is a data. integer data and is a struct node. Struct node pointer is a next. And here it is a struct node star sptr pointer. Now the question is, which of the following is used to create a new node? Create a new node. Like ptr is equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. Size of struct node is the one. Is the second one. Pointer here. Third one. Only pointer here. Fourth one. Only pointer here. These kind of questions they are expecting. These kind of questions. This is the question. These are the options they have given. What is the answer? Answer is a 3. Answer is a 3. Because the size you have to specify here, struct node size. Once node created, we are converting into that node pointer type. Node pointer type. This one. Sometimes the same code they are expecting like this also. There is one problem called type def is there. Type def. What is the use of type def? Instead of writing this one struct node, we can simply use node. We can use simply node. In place of this struct node, we use this node short form. So generally, in the previous example, we are writing like this: struct node star ptr. We have written like this now. Now in place of this struct node, in this two words, you can write only one word, simple word. That is C programming type def concept. Type definition concept. So wherever struct node is present, there simply you can write a node. That's it. We are writing like this. Output is the same output only. But don't get confused. Okay? Because either they can use with a type def definition, or they use directly. They specify directly. That is the difference. Okay, next one. Look at this. We just consider an unsorted single linked list. That is, it has only head pointer. Only one pointer is head pointer is. That is, which of the following operation can implemented and implemented in a one instance, nothing but order of one time. Order of one time. That is, what is that? Insertion at the front in linked list. Next one, insertion at the end in linked list. Deletion at the front in list. In linked list. Deletion at the end in linked list. In a linked list. What are the options? Like A and B. Next A and C. B and C. A comma B and C. A comma B and C. A and C. A and C. All of the above. So many options I am giving. Only one node is there. Suppose in the list. In the list. See, this is the list. Where number of nodes are connected. Number of nodes are connected. Only one pointer pointing to this head node. This is head node. With the help of this head node, within a single step, you can delete this one, or you can insert another node here. Last node deletion you can't. N steps required, N nodes. Last node insertion also N steps required. N steps. So insertion at the end, deletion at the end, impossible. Insertion at front and insertion deletion at front only we can do. A and C. A and C is the output. A and C only possible. That is the one. Sorry, 2 and 5 are same. Huh? What I have to give A, B, C. A and C already given as a second one. Is the one. Now here, in circular linked list, what is that circular linked list? Is a double linked list? Is it bidirectional? Is bidirectional. Next one is a node representation. Node representation, and is a circular linked list. First node, second node, third node, and third node is again connected to first node. Again in a circular linked list, circular single linked list is there. Circular double linked list is also there. It is connected to this one. Last node is connected to first node. First node is connected to last node. Last node is connected to first. First node is connected to last. Like that it is possible. Okay. Now here it is the questions. Question. That is here in what kind of linked lists linked list, we maintain only one null value. Only one null value. Single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. Only one null value where we maintain. Only in a single linked list. In double linked list, we maintain two null values. Question is only one null value. In circular single or circular double, no null values we maintain. No null values we maintain. Here it is no null value. Here it is also no null value. Here two null values are there. First node, first link. Last node, last link will be null. Two null values are there. Only in the single linked list only that last link will be null. Only one null value we maintain. That is the one. This is the one. Okay. Next one in a circular linked list. In a circular linked list. First one, components are all linked in sequential manner. Next, there is no beginning. There is no beginning and no end. Components are arranged. Components are arranged in hierarchical form. Hierarchical form. Forward and backward traversal is permitted. Is a permitted. That is in a circular single linked list. What is your answer? Only just 2 is correct. 2 is correct. Like this. Okay. Now here. Now here. Which of these is not an application of linked list? One is file systems implementation. Second one is a hash tables chaining. Third one is a non-binary trees. Next one is a random access elements. Can you please answer this? The coding questions I will show you now itself. You will try. What kind of coding questions they are expecting also I will show you. Only just random access, because only arrays are index based. Linked lists are not index based. Randomly you can't access the data. Sequentially only you need to travel from first location to last location. That is. Okay. Next. Something like which of the following is not a disadvantage? Not a disadvantage to the use of array. Okay. First one is a fixed size. Next one is a there are chances of wastage of memory if elements inserted lesser than allocated size. Third one is what? Insertion based on position. Next one is accessing elements at specified position. Can you please answer this? Disadvantage, not advantage. Guys, disadvantage, not the disadvantage. What is that? Fourth one. Not a disadvantage means what? That is advantage. Fixed size is not advantage. Wastage memory locations is not advantage. Insertion is not advantage, because whenever you insert remaining elements you have to shift, so that is also disadvantage only. So only access elements at specified position. Accessing elements means what? Using their index easily we can access elements. So this is advantage, not the disadvantage. Not the disadvantage. Okay, is the one. Now here recursion we have seen na? Recursion, the equation, this one, the equation. What is the output of following code? Output of following code when we pass head node to this function. I'm taking one function. Suppose NCR is the function, we are passing that node. Start node we are passing. Start node. If start equals to null, just it will return. If not, it will call that NCR start to next value. It is start to link, it is printing. Link means what is the next node. And finally, we are printing that %d, that link to, nothing but is a start, na? That start to data we are printing. Start to data. This is the one, the code. Now options I'm showing. First option is what? Print all node data in linked list. Prints nodes data in reverse order. Prints only last node data. Prints only first node data. Prints alternate nodes data. Can you please answer this? Recursion. Yes, print the nodes data in a reverse order. Print nodes data in a reverse order, because whenever you are calling last statement, you are printing that last statement. If you follow that recursion codes, you will understand clearly. See here in the recursion, look at this. Whenever you display that last one, see, look at this last one, this one. Here it is a direction is printing from last 0, 1, 2, 3. Actual values are 3, 2, 1, 0. So this one will print 3, 2, 1, 0, and this will print 0, 1, 2, 3. So in reverse order we are printing. So in this one, the data will display in a reverse order. The same kind of question, if you want to answer, just this start to data. If you write here, just one line before. Now the answer is what? Now everyone should answer, not one or two. Yeah, the first one is a simple. Now same kind of code. One more I'll ask. Mm. Which of the following points is or one or many? True about linked list over array. Arrays better performance, easy insertion into linked list, random access of elements in array. Size of array is pre-decided. Linked list size can vary anytime. All above. Because all are correct. Now here, the whenever, suppose what is the output of following function? Output of following function for start pointing to first node of linked list. Is nothing but this is the linked list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and is a 6. Total 5 links we are passing. 5 links we are passing. This one. See here, where is the function? Suppose we are writing the function, same void NCR, we are passing that start node. Right? If it is a null, we are returning. Else we are printing the data. After that, look at this. If start to link is not equals to null, next link is not null, what we are calling start to next we are calling. Next to next, and while coming back also we are printing that start data. We are printing that start data. This is the one. Here it is a first one is a 146641. Next one 123456. Next one is a 135 1246 35 135 531 246 642. Write the answer. Yeah. So these kind of questions. What is this? See, look at this. Start we are passing. Start means 1. We are printing now 1. Next link to link means what? Link is 2. To link is what? 3. Next to link is what? 5. Next is a null anyway. Link to link. Not only in forward direction, in coming while coming back also we are printing the same value. In which direction it is moving? In the same direction is coming back. So 531. 135531 is the output. Next one, suppose in the worst case, the number of comparisons needed to search in a single linked list. In a single linked list of length n. Of length n. That is. Okay. So here it is what, just like a time complexity equations also. Just log n, log 2n, I mean log n minus 1, n by 2. N by 2. Not in the best case, in the worst case. That's why n, maximum number of iterations we need to perform in the worst case. That's why we always give that maximum value what they have given. Maximum value what they have given. That is. Next one. You just try this one. What is the output of following code? What is the output of following code? Let me give the code. Let me give the code. Suppose here it is a int NCR. Just we are taking the data. We are taking one node, just a temporary node. We are starting with a head node. Suppose we are taking one variable also 0. While temp until temp is available, we are just checking that if temp to data is equals to that data, we just return that variable. If not, we just increase the variable. And next here it is a temp equal to temp to link. After while loop, we are returning. After while loop, we are returning just 0. When it reaches that end, we are returning that 0. This one. See, what is the use of this code snippet? What is the use of this code snippet? Suppose first one, find and delete given element. Find and return given element. Third one, find and return the position of given element. Find and insert a new node, new element in list. What is the answer? It will return the position of given element. Position. Okay. So this kind of questions they will expect from the linked list. Reminding you, please practice. I will send these documents to the management. Management only created that classroom, so they will send that link. You please contact. Okay. Yeah, I'll just inform to that management that to send, because in the beginning already they have given, now they are confusing to whom they have to send. You please contact them directly. Yeah, coding questions will give, because we continuously explaining the things, right? I'll explain.